Shawn Ed Brewing Company is a craft brewery in the heart of Dundas. We specialize in craft lagers. Our brewing process is used with state-of-the-art equipment, which allows us to have repeatability in all of our beer recipes. We also host private events in our beautiful historic building. We will always feature our 4 core brands: Lager Shed, Original, Light, Dark, as well as Barrel Shed. And then we have a selection of seasonals that people can taste in a flight of beers or just have them on their own. What I love about the hospitality industry is that you really get to be a part of those really special moments with people. They're not coming out to celebrate something sad, they're always coming together to just do something great, and it's always awesome to have a great experience with those customers. Before using 7shifts, we were using Excel and printing out the schedule. The staff had to come in and physically look at it. Now that we use 7shifts, everything is online and they can do it from their smartphone. 7shifts has made my life easier because it's a lot easier to track people's vacation time, how many hours they've worked in a week, and when those last minute shifts come up, that we're able just to put them up as an open shift and they can take them right away. With the time I've saved using 7shifts, I've been able to do a lot of other projects, including marketing and public relations. What my staff love about 7shifts is that they can literally change their availability on the fly. They're able to just trade shifts and not have to use us as a third person. 7shifts has reduced our labor costs because we're able to accurately track how many hours everyone's getting per week, as well as keep an eye on the actual dollar amount and not just the number of hours.